Hi everybody, this is Tom Mitchell with wolfwebmarketing.com. This is a brief demonstration of my latest WordPress plugin titled Perfect Post for WordPress. It's a plugin made specifically for Amazon affiliates, and what it does is allow you to create stunning product reviews and highly formatted reviews without a lot of hassle or any HTML experience. So let's get into the demonstration and show you how it works. Here we are in the dashboard of our test site. What we're going to do is, as we do in any WordPress site, we're going to create a new post. And what we're going to do is just pick this laptop we've already chosen, this Dell. What I typically do is just copy the title. I like to change my titles up a little bit here. We're not going to put anything in our typical post editor. We'll use that for the actual layout template when we're done here. So we'll just scroll down. I'm using the Pro version of the plugin, which includes 15 different templates. The free version only includes 3. I really like template 14 from the Pro version. It's a fairly complex, probably the most complex template, although it's not, I wouldn't say it's complex, but it's really cool and produces a really sharp looking review. So I'll use that for the demo. What we're going to do is load it up, and what it does is sets the data entry fields for what we're going to need for this particular product review. Instead of writing a review in the post editor, we're going to do it down here. So what I'll do is go to my Lorem Ipsum generator, just copy some content. I don't want to bore you with me actually writing a review. We'll be here for 15-20 minutes. So in the product intro, you would typically write just a paragraph, introducing the reader to the product, some general overview information. In this box, what you would do is discuss some of the key features of the product. In the case of the laptop, maybe the memory, the hard drive, processor specs, etc. And then down in this additional features box, you would talk about some of the, maybe not the key features, but more of the significant features of your product. And in this last feature box, it's called Other Features, you would maybe talk about extraneous stuff. Does the laptop come with a bag? What color is it? What do other people think about it? What's the warranty, etc. In this next box here for pros and cons, let me just copy some content here. You don't want to do an entire paragraph in pros and cons. You notice I'm just about filling the box completely. You can add more content if you want. If you add less, your reviews are going to be really short. But in this pros and cons, 1 or 2 sentences is sufficient to talk about the pluses and minuses of the product. Let me get some more content back here. And then in your product summary, this will be at the bottom of the review. This is basically you telling the customer or the potential customer why they should buy the product. This is where you do your selling. For the Amazon image, I basically just hot link, copy the image URL from Amazon, paste it in. The alt tag, which you want for SEO purposes, I usually just make it my post title or something similar. The affiliate link, just go out and capture that from your Amazon dashboard. Drop him in there. The really cool thing about this particular template, and this is why I wanted to use it as a demo, it allows you to add a video and a banner ad or a carousel ad to your review, which is really cool. So what I've done is I've gone out to this YouTube and looked for laptop tips and tricks, and found something that's related. And most WordPress themes will support a 600 pixel wide video. By the way, this plugin is compatible with virtually all WordPress themes on the market. I've certified it with many of the Theme Junkie themes, but you don't need any specific themes to use the plugin. So I got that video embed code. I'll paste the video in here. Now this says banner ad. This can be a 468 by 90 ad, I think it's 468. What I prefer is a 600 pixel wide carousel from Amazon. I've already pre-populated it with some products. This is what it'll look like. We'll just add it to my web page here. Copy the code. Paste it in. And then we have here is the default post editor box. What we're going to do there is open up the associated template file that you'll get. The free version comes with 3 template files and 3 of the perfect post data entry sets. The pro version comes with the full 15, template 0 through template 14. Since we're using template 14, since it's loaded down here, we're going to copy this content, just the code, paste it in. So now you have your template complete with tokens that match up with your data entry fields. And you're going to publish. When we go and we look at the final review, what you'll see is a nicely formatted Amazon image, your content, a nice featured pros and cons box, the integrated video that's related. What some people will probably do, and I know I do this on some of my sites, is actually go to Fiverr and hire someone out for a short video that is actually specifically related to the Dell Inspiron, and then add that from my YouTube account. You have some more of your content that you created. There's your nicely placed carousel. This would be your product summary and your call to action. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward to create an awesome review. Doing this manually within WordPress, although not terribly difficult for those who are familiar with HTML and formatting and design, for a beginner or someone who's not well versed in design or HTML can have a nightmare trying to do this. Using this plugin, it becomes very straightforward. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching. Have a good evening.